Hey guys, how's it going? So I forgot to hit the record button. I'm pissed off because I was recording. Now I gotta redo my video. But anyways, this morning, Aurora is... So we're gonna be talking about Terry Booth selling more of his stake. He sold another 39,750 shares at on June 4th, 2020, 4/20. That's kind of hilarious. I find that a little bit funny. I don't know about you, but I find that a little bit funny. Now Terry Booth has a total of 182,000 shares. Not a good sign in my opinion. Terry Booth sold at 21.28 and then the stock went down. Now he sold again. So I think this is going to put some pressure on the Aurora stock. But again, even if I'm bearish on Aurora, it's still going to be dictated by Canopy and the rest of the MJ sector. So if Canopy goes up, Aurora will go up. If Africa goes up, Aurora will go up. But if everything goes down, Aurora will go down. Volume is very, very weak. This is the first 30 minutes of trading. It's only traded 729,000 shares, which is pretty weak. And Aurora is the kind of stock that needs a lot of volume to move to the upside. But we'll see what happens moving forward. And the stock, the MACD is downtrending. Aurora stock looks like it's downtrending. Yesterday, it fell from 14.29 all the way down to 12.91 on extremely weak volume, which is not a good sign. But yeah, that's just my opinion. Very, very weak volume right now for Aurora, and it looks like it's downtrending. Canopy would dictate the stock price, and Canopy stock also looks very, very weak this morning. The bounce back doesn't look very strong. Kronos Group is, like if Kronos goes up, Aurora will go up, but Kronos right now also looks a little bearish. Africa is up 4.12%. If Africa keeps going up, it'll probably drag up Aurora. Tilray is up 25 cents. Tilray will just reflect the MJ market. If the MJ market goes up, Tilray will go up. Hexo this morning up 7.7 cents, 7.67%. I have a feeling that Hexo will go back down to the dollar range, but for now it's probably going to trade around $1. That's my opinion anyways. I don't think they're going to do a reverse split now simply because they went over $1. But we'll see where the future leads. Right, for right now, they have escaped death, at least in the short term. But let's see what happens in the long term. Sundial Growers also have escaped death too. They've been trading around $1, over $1 for a while now. So the PlayStation 5 got no release date, no price point yesterday. But apparently the rumor is sometime in July they're going to announce a price point and a pre-order. And to me, at first I was like, that looks pretty cool. But now that I look at it again, I'm like, I don't know. It actually looks kind of ugly in my opinion. But that's just my opinion. I think the PlayStation 5 looks ugly. If you think the PlayStation 5 looks cool, comment down below. Or if you think it looks ugly, comment down below. If you even care. If you don't care, then whatever. Don't comment. But I think it looks kind of ugly. That's just my opinion. I think the PlayStation 4 looks cooler than this console. But that's just, again, my opinion. So Sony at almost at 52-week high, which makes kind of sense. I think Sony's kind of connected to the stock market. If the stock market goes up, Sony will go up. So GameStop is up this morning, $4.70. I still think GameStop is undervalued as a market cap. They still have more than double the cash of their market cap, and they don't have that much debt too. So could GameStop go bankrupt in the future? Yes. But in the short term, I think at least for 2020 and 2021, GameStop's going to do very, very well, especially when they announce those pre-orders. There's going to be a lot of people that are going to buy protection plans for their new consoles. And GameStop's going to make a lot of money off those protection plans. and accessory sales, because there's going to be a lot of people going buy new controllers for the new PlayStation, Xbox, and I think GameStop's going to make a lot of money off of selling accessories, protection plans. There's going to be a lot of people that are going to trade in the used games and used consoles, and GameStop is going to use that, and then they're going to flip it around for more money. So I think personally GameStop is going to do very, very well in the short term, but at the end of the day, big money really reflects what GameStop stock price is going to do. So if big money buys it up and props up the stock, it'll go up. But if big money, doesn't, then, at the end of the day, it's all on the big money on what it will do. But it's green today, which is a positive sign. GoPro, if we look at GoPro, it has a market cap of $698 million. What's its business? It sells cameras. And we think about the camera industry, every single cell phone has a camera on it. GoPro is basically a dying business, but it doesn't matter if it's dying or not. I mean, and GoPro is worth twice as much as GameStop, and it has a market cap of $698 million, and for some strange reason, Robinhood investors love GoPro, but I believe 5 years down the road, GoPro business is going to go bankrupt, because nobody will buy an extra camera when your cell phone can take pictures. But again, like, the market doesn't always trade to its fair value, and I think GameStop is undervalued. That's just my opinion, but then I'm biased because I'm a shareholder. But GoPro, up 20 cents. GoPro, I think it's overvalued. And then we're looking at a company, AMC Entertainment Holdings here. They are gonna have a horrible 2020, simply because nobody is going to go watch movies in 2020, and it's going to hurt their business big time, because they can't have these movie theaters stuffed because of the Rona that's going on right now. And I think that the stock price is going to... No, I don't know what the stock's going to do in the short term or long term, but I just honestly think that long term, the AMC's business is probably going to go bankrupt. And on top of that, we look at this debt. It has a lot of debt. Like, if we look at its assets, it has a total cash position of $300 million, but we look at its debt, it has a total debt of $10.5 billion. So, I mean, to me, that just doesn't seem very safe. Like, it has a $10 billion company, $300 million of cash, leaving it with, a lot of debt. So, I hope it doesn't declare bankruptcy, but I have a feeling that, there might be a scenario where AMC might declare bankruptcy. As a market cap of $590 million, and GameStop has a market cap of $304 million. Does it make any sense? No, but sometimes that's how the market works. And so another thing about GameStop is GameStop's also very, very heavily shorted. They updated it. 56 million shares shorted, which is a lot of shares shorted. If GameStop can somehow turn the company around, or has some kind of good news that comes out, we could have a significant short squeeze to the upside, and GameStop can easily be a $10 stock if these billionaires decide to cover their short on GameStop. Boom, to the upside. But again, big money manipulates the stock price, so we'll see where that goes moving forward. The SPY today up 2.46%, very, very strong day for the markets. Beyond Meat is had a pop this morning but faded, and now it's starting to run again. Nikola Motors. Nikola is so strong, like such a strong stock. Like so many people are bearish, like all over YouTube. Everyone's like, "Oh, Nikola's a scam. Trying to sue Elon Musk. Blah blah blah." Hyperchains on Jeremy's like sell. Jim Cramer doesn't like it. Andrew Leff is like shorting it, and yet the stock price still going up. That means that there's a lot of big money, a lot of rich people that love this company. It has a market cap of $23 billion, same as Ford right now, and Ford actually makes money. So I don't know. It just doesn't make any logic to me. But at the end of the day, rich people really dictates the stock price. So yeah, Tesla this morning. Ooh, Tesla's down this morning, and Nikola is up this morning. Wow, just wow in my opinion. That's all I have to say. Wow. Why is Tesla down this morning? Tesla in his batteries. Tesla. Oh yeah, probably gonna watch that video later. So yeah, no, let's look at NIO. What's NIO doing this morning? NIO this morning up 31 cents, 5.25%. That's looking positive. Nordic American Tankers up this morning 17 cents. DHT Holdings up this morning, up 16 cents. Euronaut is up 3.53%. Frontliners had a nice day today, up 47 cents. TK Corporation up 3% this morning. Uber is up $1.30. Uber stock is under significant pressure right now because Grubhub kind of backstabbed them and decided to go with another company in Europe. And Grubhub stock this morning is up $1.22. Yeah, Grubhub didn't crash yesterday, which is surprising because the entire market crashed. Today the market is green, like very very green, up almost 700 points today. The Asian market was red, the European market was red but turned green. Oil is up 1.27%. Gold is slightly up at 0.5%. Not too much to say about that. ABX, company that I am invested into, I'm still profitable and it's still kind of trading sideways right now, but I think that, one day I will see ABX go back to $40 and possibly higher because I'm bullish on gold, and if gold goes up, ABX will make a lot of money off mining gold. Harvest Health this morning is up 5 cents. I know what Liberal Health Science is doing this morning. Liberal Health Science just kind of trading up 2 cents, but kind of flat. Curaleaf this morning is up 40 cents, 5.53%, very, very strong. Planet 13 up 7.11%, 16 cents this morning. I still don't understand why Jeremy really likes Planet 13. I mean, maybe because Planet 13 is in his neighborhood, and it's kind of like he thinks it's kind of cool how Aurora is in my neighborhood. Like, I live where Aurora has the Aurora Sky facility, so I think that's pretty cool, and that's the reason why I invested into Aurora, and maybe this is the reason why Jeremy's invested into Planet 13. I mean, at the end of the day, Planet 13 also has a very nice store and very good branding. So I think the branding is probably stronger than MedMen, but MedMen up 1.5 cents today. Ianthus had a super crash today, down 15 cents. This could be an opportunity, but you should do your research and figure out why it crashed in the first place. Cresco Labs is up 5.49%. Not too much to say about that. True Eve this morning is up 28 cents. Bitcoin this morning is up is trading sideways. It actually moved up quite significantly this morning. Like 3%. Harvest Health this morning is sorry, not Harvest. Hive is up. Wow, 10.6%. That's pretty big. Anyways, that's it for my video. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day.